Hello students, welcome at EduCare. This is Vinod Bihani and we will continue our chemistry session for the discussion today on the topic called oxidation state, also known as oxidation number. We already know the meaning of redox reactions. Redox reaction is the combination of oxidation and reduction reaction. The old concept of oxidation was the addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. They call it oxidation, while reduction, that is the addition of hydrogen or removal of what? Oxygen. Now, in many reaction, it doesn't look the oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed, still oxidation, and in some reaction there is not addition of hydrogen or not removal of oxygen, still they are reduction. So there it come modern definition for the oxidation, loss of electron, modern definition of reduction, loss of electron. However, in many reactions it was not able to see whose oxidation occur and whose reduction occur. So after knowing redox reaction, the need for oxidation number is to know the oxidizing agent and reducing agent. That is the oxidation number concept. Oxidation number, it is the numerical charge with sign on an atom of an element in its molecule, ion, or some species in general. That is the oxidation number, numerical charge with sign. We take the simplest example, sodium chloride NaCl, in which we know sodium has plus charge, chlorine has minus charge. Actually, the sodium has plus 1 charge, chlorine has the minus 1 charge. Hence, it is called sodium oxidation number is plus 1 in NaCl and chlorine oxidation number is minus 1 in oxidation in that NaCl. Now, this oxidation number concept, using that, we will try to see the concept of oxidation and reduction. See the oxidation of sodium here. Sodium donates an electron, that becomes Na plus ion, and chlorine donates an electron, chlorine accepts an electron to become such chloride ion. Now in first reaction, the sodium of left side has the charge 0 and it is here plus 1, means oxidation number increase from 0 to plus 1, and increase in oxidation number is called as oxidation. Similarly, in second reaction, chlorine has oxidation number 0 in the left side, while in chloride ion there is minus 1. So this 0 to minus 1 is reduction, that is reduction in oxidation number. Now we know the substance which oxidizes can do the reduction of other, and the substance which reduces can do oxidation of other. So in terms of oxidation number also, we can define not only oxidation and reduction but also oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Now what are the rules to find the oxidation number? The first rule, oxidation number, every pure element in its uncombined form, maybe in terms of its atom or maybe in terms of its molecule, its oxidation number is 0. For example, oxidation number of oxygen in O, oxidation number of oxygen in O2, oxidation number of sodium in sodium atom, all they are 0. Then oxidation number in a compound is equal to the charge on that particular atom present. Like example, oxidation number of oxygen in H2O is minus 2, but that of hydrogen is plus 1, such 2 hydrogen, and hence can you see this sum is 0. So the important rule is that the sum of oxidation numbers of all elements present in a molecule of compound is always 0. It's always 0. Oxidation number of oxygen in most of the compounds is minus 2 except in peroxide and compound with fluorine. Oxidation number of all halogens minus 1. However, because fluorine is highest electronegative and it has no vacant d orbital, therefore fluorine has only -1 oxidation state but other halogens, chlorine, bromine, iodine, they have positive oxidation numbers also. Then oxidation number of hydrogen in most of its molecules and ion is +1. Then general rule, remember, oxidation number of metals is positive, oxidation number of non-metal is negative, and when there is formation of a compound between metal and non-metal, remember, non-metal has oxidation number negative, metal has positive. For example, if you take example of zinc chloride, ZnCl2. In zinc chloride, zinc has oxidation number +2 and chlorine has -1, but such two chlorine, therefore this product -2, this +2, and their sum is 0. So the algebraic sum of the oxidation numbers of every atom in a molecule or its compound is always 0. But oxidation number sum in an ion, sum of, that is algebraic sum of oxidation numbers in ions is equal to charge on ion. For example, oxidation number of chlorine in Cl minus is -1. However, oxidation number of chlorine in Cl as well as Cl2, 0. Oxidation number, if you find oxygen on OH minus ion, then oxygen has here -2 oxidation number, hydrogen has +1, and can you see this sum is -1, that is like here charge minus. So this is the very important rule. Algebraic sum of oxidation numbers in a compound or the molecule of compound is 0, but oxidation number of sum of oxidation number, that is algebraic sum of oxidation number in an ion, is equal to charge on ion. So this is the brief information about the oxidation state or oxidation number. This is our part 1 video. In part 2 video, we will see how to find actual oxidation number with some examples. If you like this video, share with your friend, subscribe to our channel and press the bell button icon for that getting notification. Thanks.